Your Kodak camera suddenly refuses to power on. The screen stays black, or the power button gives no response at all. Sometimes the camera light flashes briefly and shuts off immediately, while other times nothing happens even after charging the battery. This issue is usually caused by drained batteries, battery connection problems, memory card errors, or temporary system freezes instead of a permanently damaged camera. In many situations, the camera simply needs a power reset or proper battery resetting before it starts normally again. Before assuming the camera is completely dead, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore power properly. 1. Remove the Kodak camera battery and memory card completely. 2. Charge the battery fully or try another compatible battery if available. 3. Clean the battery contact points gently using a dry cloth. 4. Reinsert the battery securely into the camera compartment. 5. Hold the power button down for several seconds during startup. 6. Turn the camera on without the memory card installed first. 7. Insert the memory card again and test normal camera operation afterward.